Hi Arinas, and welcome to today's K-pop dance tutorial. My name is Marina, and today we are diving into the first chorus choreography for Lisa's FUTW World. I divided the moves into 8 sections to make it easy to follow along no matter your level. Just a heads up, this video is mirrored, which means my left side is your left side and my right side is your right side. So get comfy, grab some water, and let's jump into it. Let me show you the first section with counts. No need to move yet, just watch first and then we'll break it down together right after. So the first section goes like 5, 6, and 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Alright, now let's do it together. So for our arms, we keep them in fists and then swing your arms in front of your body. Then swing them back behind you and you are charging up for a powerful throw. So from your back, throw your hands up from your elbow. So this part is straight and you are throwing from your elbow. Again, keep your hands in fists, swing them up in front of your body, then we swing them down behind you and then throw. For our legs, we just stand tall, push your right hip out to the side, and then we do step back with left leg, step in place with right leg, and then kick with our left leg. And when you do this kick, make sure to bounce it back. So knee straight and then bend it back. And at the same time, your upper body looks diagonally to the right side. Let's try hands and legs together. So like this, it's on count 5, 6, and 7, 8. So after you bounce back, just place your left leg on the floor and your hands going down, place them on the mid-size and fingers point inward and elbows look out to the sides like this. But the body is facing to the right side like this. And here we start doing the wave. So from here, begin the wave with your head tilted down as if your chin reaching toward your knees, but don't bend too low, okay? Round your back as you go down, as if you are curling into a ball. Also tuck your hips in so your booty is facing inward. And we are in this weird position. And now lift your head up first, like you're rising out of water. Arch your back deeply, and then you go up. At the same time, relax your hands and push your booty out as your chest goes up. Let's try again. So lift your head, arch your back, relax your hands, chest up, booty out. Then push your chest forward to start another wave. And here you keep your knees straight. So push forward and then roll it back. You arch your upper back while keeping your hips forward. Finally, stick your booty back as your spine straightens. And here you keep your knees bent to help your booty go back naturally. And while we go back, make sure to raise your right arm up with your palm facing back. It's on count 4. Let's try this wave again, slowly with counts from here. So 7, 8, 1, 2, 3, 4. Then we do 5, 6, 7, 8. For your arms, it's quite easy. Keep your left hand relaxed, and from here you go down to your mouse, then back upwards, and then again down to your mouse. Keep in mind that here your palm is facing audience, and when you go back, your palm facing backwards. So we do 5, 6, and then clap and clap. So bring your left hand in front of your body and using the back of your right hand, do 2 claps against the palm of your left hand. All this time, our body is facing to the right side. So we do 7, 8. Also, when you go to your mouse, just tilt your head to the left side a little bit. And then when we do claps, make sure to tilt your head, also arch your shoulders a little bit while you do the claps. Then for the legs, we do jumps. So first we're gonna jump the left leg forward, then jump back to the center and raise your right leg. Then we do again jump. So right leg forward and then jump back to the center on your right leg and raise your left leg. Let's try hands and legs together. From here, we're gonna jump on count 5. So 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Now let's review the whole first section slowly with counts, starting from here. Remember? 5, 6, and 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Let's try again a little bit faster. 5, 6, and 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Let's move on to the second section and let me show it to you first. From here, 7, 8, 1 and 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So from here, we're gonna jump. Flick your head upwards sharply and at the same time throw your right hand from your elbow and place your left hand on your hip. So it goes like 1. For the legs, we stand in half-turned position. Upper body is twisted and facing the audience, but the left leg is facing diagonally to the left side. So this is your left shoulder. Also, your knees are bent and spread. So from this position, you just jump and your knees are bent. Let's try again. 7, 8, 1. Next, on end count, you're gonna swing your right hand in front of your mouse, then swing to the right side, then to the back, then to the other side, and then to the audience. And as you swing your right hand around, you also raise your right leg and make a step in place and push your right hip to the side. So again, start from your mouse, then go to the side, raise your leg, and then step in place and your arm is straight and forward. Then swing your left hand in front of your mouse and then again go to the back and then go to the front. And as we swing the hand, you also raise your left leg and then turn on your right leg to the right side like this. So again, 3, 4. And then from here, we place our left leg to the floor and left hand on your hip. Show a phone hand gesture with your right hand. So just thumb and pinky out. Then put it near your ear and we do 2 hip rolls. So 5, 6, 7, 8. Just do circular movements with your hips and we go with right hip down. So sit into your right hip, then move your booty clockwise and go up to the left hip. Then your hips continue the circle and go forward and down. And then again, up, forward, down. After we turn to the right side, we go down and do hip rolls. So let's try 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Now let's review the whole second section slowly with counts, starting from here. 7, 8, 1 and 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Let's try again a little bit faster. 7, 8, 1 and 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Next, let's learn the third section and I'm going to show it to you first. From here, 7, 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. We finished in this position and after that we go up on 1. So 1. Your feet are together. You look down and to the right side. At the same time, raise your left arm up, bend your wrist to the left side and spread your fingers. Your right arm is relaxed. After this pose, we go back to the hip circles. So like we did earlier, just rotate them twice. But this time we don't show the hand gesture, just place your hand behind your head. So we go down and do hip roll, and then we do 5, 6, 7, and 8. For the legs, it's quite easy. From this position, we go to the right, so your heel is raised and knee is bent, it faces outwards. Then we alternate, same goes for your left leg, so heel raised, knee bent and out. And then again and again. For the legs, it's on counts 5, 6, 7, 8. For the arms, spread them to the sides, keep your hands in fists, bend them at elbows, and we do pulling, push out, and pull in again. Then we're gonna hit the head with our open hands 3 times. So elbows are out to the sides and fingers spread, and you do 7 and 8. Now let's connect hands and legs together. So from here, we do 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. Let's review the whole third section with counts, starting from here. 7, 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. Let's try again. 7, 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. Now, to make sure you remember the dance from the very beginning, we are going to review the first 3 sections. Are you ready? Remember from here, the beginning. So let's try 5, 6, and 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1 and 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. That's it for the lesson preview available on YouTube. If you'd like access to the full ad-free 8-section dance tutorial, including the complete dance practice with music at different speeds, all in one video, just head to my website using the link in the pinned comment or in the video description below. You'll also find more K-pop dance tutorials waiting for you there. Thanks so much for learning with me today, and I'll catch you in the next video. Bye!